arc raiders is triggered by the anti-cheat system, usually easy anti-cheat, when it detects suspicious background apps, overlays, or modified files, even if you are not actually cheating. Follow these fixes in order. Top ones work 90% of the time. Fix 1. Close background apps, most common cause. Anti-cheat flags many legit programs as cheat software. Close these before launching the game. Cheat Engine, if ever installed. WeMod, MSI Afterburners, Rivatuner, Reshade, Auto Hotkey Scripts, Process Hacker, Overwolf Overlays, FPS Unlockers, or Trainers. Open Task Manager, Control, Shift-ESC, and suspicious background processes. Fix 2. Repair easy anti-cheat. Corrupted anti-cheat files can falsely trigger detection. 1. Go to the game install folder. Example, you can see the code in our conversation history. 2. Run. You can see the code in our conversation history. 3. Select Arc Raiders. 4. Click Repair Service. Fix 3. Verify game files. Broken or modified files instantly trigger anti-cheat errors. If using Steam, 1. Open Library. 2. Right-click Arc Raiders. 3. Properties installed files. 4. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. If using Epic Games Launcher, Library, 3 dots, Manage, Verify. Fix 4. Disable overlays and injectors. Turn off Discord overlay, NVIDIA GeForce overlay, Xbox Game Bar, RTSSS, Rivatuner, OBS game capture, use display capture instead. Overlays hooked to the game and anti-cheat may detect them. Fix 5. Add game to antivirus exclusions. Some antiviruses quarantine anti-cheat files. Steps: 1. Open Windows security. 2. Virus and threat protection. 3. Exclusions, add folder. Add the Arc Raiders game folder plus easy anti-cheat folder. Also temporarily disable antivirus and test launch. Fix 6. Remove mods, trainers, DLL injectors. Delete anything like custom DLL files, mod loaders, trainers, skin changers. Even leftover files from other games can trigger detection. Fix 7. Reinstall easy anti-cheat, clean method. 1. Delete. You can see the code in our conversation history. 2. Verify game files again. 3. Launch the game as administrator. Fix 8. Clean boot if error appears. 1. Press Win-R, type msconfig. 2. Services tab, check hide Microsoft services. 3. Click Disable All, restart PC. 5. Launch Arc Raiders. This helps identify hidden conflicting software. Hidden programs that trigger this error. Even if you're not cheating, these can cause it. VPN software, some versions, macro tools, RGB software, rare cases, virtual machines, VMware, VirtualBox. Debugging tools. Quick question to give the exact 1-minute fix. Did this error appear after installing a trainer/slide mod, after installing MSI Afterburner, Reshade, or right after a game update? Tell me which one happened, and I'll give the fastest specific fix. No reinstall needed.